I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation. This is a look at the Destar 71 by 30 inch chicken run. So you can see I've got my two chickens, Anna and Elsa, outside in the run. I've actually set it to a half width, so this can actually be double the width in the package. I don't need a huge amount of space. I just need a little space for them to be outside in my yard, but to be protected from, in this case, the dog. So this is a nice little outdoor run. I wouldn't leave them in there if there's real predators in your area. My dog usually pretty much leaves them alone, but it just gives them a little space to be outdoors and still contained and safe. And you can see they've been dust bathing in here. I think they're very comfortable. And they actually go in there on their own because I give them treats when they go inside there. So there's three doors. There's one here, one in the back, and then one on the side. And if you add the full width, then you get actually double this width and then additional doors on there. And everything just sort of snaps together using these little pressure clips and springs. So it's relatively easy to assemble. There's some little stakes that go into the side that you can then put down into the ground. You can see Elsa is enjoying dust bathing in there. And works for a great chicken tractor. It's very light and foldable, so you can actually move it and put it elsewhere in your yard and move it around if you want to, have them scratch around in different areas, or if you're going to use this on top of a garden and have them kind of till the ground for you, you can move it around, and of course they'll fertilize as well as they go. But it makes a really nice, just little daytime outdoor run for a couple of hens to hang out outside in a way where they're going to be safe from pets. I wouldn't leave them alone necessarily, but if I'm keeping an eye on them, at least it keeps them and the dog out of a different space. The full length actually has a cover that goes on top of this, like a plastic cover over one section, so you can get some shade for them too. Not an issue right now, but nice to have that if you want to give them a little shaded area.